Hello everyone! Julie is here and little Cherry. Today you will learn how to draw Cobra from Adopt Me. So, what you will need for drawing Cobra today, guys? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay, guys, let's start drawing our Cobra with a curved line. So we will draw just a curved line here in the center. So I will just draw it like this, and now we will be drawing its head. So I will draw a line here. So I will just start from here and then curve it a little bit, so I will just do it like this. Here we go. And just correct this line a little bit. And remember, if it's not perfect, it's absolutely fine. And now I will draw a little mouse here, like this, and a curved line here. Now we will draw two eyes. So one eye will be a little bit going out, so it's a circle drawn here, like this. And remember to keep a spot for spotlight to make it shiny and bright, and not too far away we will draw an eye and keeping its curved line, remember the 3D rules, so it will be probably somewhere here. Trying to keep it similar, but if it is a little bigger or smaller, it will be even look more funny. And it will be black, so we can correct it and make it this, or you can even color it already, so you will see the size. Just try to keep it similar. And it's gorgeous. So, and now we'll continue drawing our Cobra. So I will just draw a line here showing it's a curved line. So I will start from here, and you can connect this or just keep it like this, and then it will go following this line. So it's repeating actually and becoming narrow, but going till here. So I will make a spot here and connect them. So just doing like this. Here we go. And now I will make curved line here, then make a line here, and then it's waved outside, and here we go. It will be curved line here, and repeat it again. Just go near it like this. Yeah, and now we have to go this way. So I actually will try to connect this line. I need to keep a size between this, so I will do a help line here, then I will go here, and it will be almost a circle, like a semicircle connecting it. So I will make one help line here, and then you can connect these lines together like this. And now I will connect this one, so like this. And now we will draw a curved line going there, like this. And then we will also connect a line here, like curved one. And then we have to repeat this circle and it will make it more stable. So I will just draw a semicircle, and now you can repeat it to show this line bottom. So double line here, like this, and then a little tail here, so it will be going, and just so I will just make it a little bit curved like this, and then we connect it like this. And don't forget to draw one more line here. So we are almost there. All we have to do now is just to color it and add some spots. It's pretty tall and pretty cute. So let's color our cobra. So I will be coloring it with orange. So it will be orange. You can use your crayons, markers, pencils, whatever you have. Even pastels or watercolors, everything will work here. So, and maybe you will decide to use your own color or just follow the colors of the game. So it's orange Cobra in Adopt Me. So we just color it, and also orange will go here. It will be a little bit on its tail, like this, and this part will be also orange. And we will also add some dots. And orange part also goes here. So try to follow the lines when you are coloring, then it will create this additional 3D shape. And now I will use slight beige color for the inner parts. So you can use like some lighter orange or even yellow. Shading a bit, like this. Yeah, create this shiny effect, and now I will add some dots. So spots you can add, for example, here and here, some spots here. And we also can go here and here, and also a spot here, and a little spot here as well. So I will color it like brown, or maybe use some burgundy or some other shade which you like. So here we go. Now I will color the spots. So I'm actually using this red wine, but it looks like brown when I mix it with orange. So you can also experiment and use red wine or maybe burgundy or some other color to add some depth to it, or brown. And it looks perfect. It's really great. And you also can use white pencil to add some shiny effects. And it will be probably somewhere here. And here. Yeah. So we'll try to use brighter white. Or you can just maybe leave some space like I did here to make it even brighter. Then it will be really shiny white. Yeah, and this looks great. Yeah, it looks pretty fantastic, guys. I really love our Cobra, and if you need to hide something, you can just use white marker or just white pencil. And look, guys, how cool is our Cobra. Well done, guys! This is an amazing drawing we have created today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me and Cherry. And if you enjoy our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.